This is a mahogany dining side chair, and it has beautiful inlay on it, as you can see. It's made from mahogany, and it has inlay of satin wood on the back and on the legs and frame. But this guy is missing a front leg right over here. As you can see, this is all we got. It's missing, and this has to be replaced so it could stand up again. And so this is how I'm going to do it. This is the leg, and this is how it's broken. It's split right down the middle, and it's cut on an angle right here. And first thing I did is right over here, I routed in a square little notch. I took this piece of mahogany and I copied the pattern. I copied the shape in the wood. Here's the angle, here's half the leg, and here's the little notch right over here, so that it would fit in here and down in that little notch like this. I don't have a piece of mahogany that thick, so what we're going to do is we're going to sit this in here, and I copied the pattern, the shape of the other leg. Now I'm going to cut this off and take this board and attach it to the front. Okay, here's the leg. I gave it a couple coats of shellac so we could see what's going on. And we have a little bit of touching up to do, get the color a little bit more even. What I do, I go to these powdered colors over here, and I take a little lacquer on a brush. Okay, my flowers need to be a little more yellow. And a little redder. There.